Namaskar, I Ramnesh Kumar Sahu of class 9th A welcomes you to this cooking video. So today we are going to make a very delicious and healthy snack which can be prepared in a few minutes. That's Rava Appam. So let's get started. The ingredients are as follows. First we will take semolina or suji. Then we will add 1 bowl of curd to it. Then we will mix it. And will add water to make it consistent, not very thick, not very thin. Then we will take the veggies, which includes the capsicum, chopped green chilies and ginger. Then we will mix it. And we will take salt as per our requirement. Then for the tempering process and enhancing its flavor, we will use a frying pan and add some spoons of mustard oil and we will allow it to heat up. And the sizzling process will start. Then we will add the mustard seed. And here we can listen the sizzling sound after adding curry leaves. Then we will add this into our batter and mix it properly. Then we will add baking soda to increase the fluffiness. Then we will leave this batter for 15 minutes. After that, we will take our appam patra or appam pot and apply some oil on it. Then we will allow it to heat up. It's very quick and a healthy snack for kids as they may take it as their breakfast or evening snack. Then we will pour the batter in the spaces provided. This recipe was taught by my mother to me. It's really quick and easy to make. Then we will allow this to cook for a while and put the lid on. And here we are ready. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks